Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the very first edition of Tago Media Production. And in this first production, we are going to be talking about Computer Basic Series. In this series, we are going to have four tutorials or four parts. The first part or part one will be understanding the computer. Part two will be basic terminology in IT. Part three, basic operations, knowing your first computer program. And part four will be how to use the Paint app and how to capture your screen. Who is this program for? This program is for people with zero to basic level in computer literacy and IT, people who want to refresh their knowledge in computer. So let's have an overview of part one. In this section, we're going to talk about the definition of a computer, computer components like the hardware and the software. In part two of this series, will comprise web terminology, where we are going to define some terms like the internet, the www, uniform resource locators, a website, a browser, a server, a search engine, deep web, and how to do some online research. Part three of this series will comprise some basic operations where we are going to know how to turn on and off your computer, your desktop, the mouse movement, the basic operations like save, copy, and paste, file explorer, knowing your drives, files, and folders, your first program like your notepad, working with notepad and basic operations. And in part four of the series, we are going to look at the Paint app. It's a very lightweight program. Working with Paint app, you can draw, you can crop, you can resize images. And at the end, we are going to have a project on how to capture your screen. So sharing is caring. I hope you will learn some valuable material in this series. And if you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to press the like button and share as well. You may also consider subscribing as well to this channel. I am Tago Armstrong, and you have been watching Tago Media Production. I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Thank you. Ciao.